Do it again. Ready? Do it again. Do it. Do this. Do it again. Do it again.
Greta, do it. Oh, just a little bit. Jones, are you done? Yeah. You made poo-poo.
Are you done?
Can you get your face off the toilet? That's pretty gross.
Why is that pretty gross?
Because the toilet seat has poo and pee on it.
Where's the poo and pee?
Inside the toilet.
Inside the toilet?
Where you put it.
And here!
What do you get now?
I did the jelly bean!
What do we have to do first?
We got to wipe our bottom!
Wipe our bottom. Let's do it.